When you say if you as a cafo fear bebre ho a obi wo fufu a musuo se fufu no bedi bi. Fufu no agina so awo esam fifiri awo pa na so udi bi enye yi.
Enti why
say uchi fufu.
Ready. Bafo no kre.
So there's any kure nya ya enkwa ne sija so no kura no ne ho pampa na fa hona no. Esese nko otwe aso ho.
Yemasidama top choco. Top choco. It's chocolatey. CBG, we stand with you. Agbev Herbal Center, YSFCA Latex Foam, your partner for life. Vodafone, further together. Omada Roma, and I did news review, no? Yeah, the bro, Ella sitting or my bar for
or making me day, or making me morning. Or making me morning. Ella.
Bafo
Yanko daily guide kasawa how na asomwe de ba ko pa wanim or see no new COVID-19 case on admission. Say COVID-19 say there ya pam no adesa. Dr. Patrick Kuma Buaben na chire was regions ni nyina ba bie no ma o ma record new case and so bi admission na yade no o hwe no ho na say de yade no kwa na e ko na ban so ayensisa basic schools are hold ni nyina obemom free cocoa beverages tea
eno betom da ben
ena da hey and wa ha guide account wa ha
about caption here then kind of
free cocoa beverages for basic schools
to
na de hoda da no peko aya de man kwada no
o de story no
ko schools ahudo no na ku say enkwada no esa beverage no tea ni cocoa you drink no ye de mo na burger MP5 injunction asin not in sensem no review na ba no eno so eda hana ora ya Buaben asamwa no chirem say NDC omo nya better managers of the economy nti omo nka omano ntum omo nka omano ntum aban so ena wo chirem ha so the ensise gu akwan so say de be ya omani sikasem ebekoyie government adopts austerity measures ewo hanom fire service management and you know my function na ne twema mentwe abedom ntem no enya sem ketwa omotia ensise bi ba ese adwuma ni bia we adwuma of fire service no from 2012 wakatua no ye betin kakran dia koto pension fund bim
ba for patro me ba my fact check ketwa bi wa and this is pulse.com.gh maybe I kind story way on the cocoa
beverage no
Gangan Tuan promises school children to enjoy cocoa drink every day. We cocoa board nom can say you 2019 The Ghana Cocoa Board has announced that the government will soon roll out a program that will see every school going child enjoy free cocoa drinks every According to the executive secretary at the office of the Cocoa Board CEO, the move is to develop the taste of cocoa among the Ghanaian children. And then I catch in 2019.
We was say a niche confessionary Ghana Limited, the Minister of Education I strike.
Oh, Cocoa Board for crack and then nature for the
Minister of Education is Doctor ya said to my friend and Misano Mammy San Waya
Cocoa Board na Minister of Education
and Kodania de Momo. Woman ya cocoa drinking no. I mean, there must someone who see a back to her. The best work on Ezra down Omunian. CJ.
Maybe there's another story on my Ghana web. My pupils to enjoy free cocoa drink as breakfast from September 2019. President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo will from September 2019 launch the Cocoa Beverage Project. CBP to supply pupils under the school feeding program cocoa drink in addition to the
who can know some time anum CJ who can some time anum na so mampenia ko kana CJ me sorry am ko schools a hold ana nkola na makwan School go down my coin. And can't go to bisa cocoa drink near the moment now. About time we are moving some man why? Moving some man.
Bafo.
CJ.
Politicians almost should be.
CJ.
Bafo.
CJ.
Almost should be.
CJ.
Na. Che.
Go answer. Go. Yes, go. Sana mribi so mo ba am sa ko da bia be di ko sua ba ko da bia. Ewie ho a.
I mean, why do we make promises
when
we know we can't keep them? Why do we, in the name of God, make promises when we know we can't keep them? Why?
Free cocoa drink. Yehoah.
Before young fancy, my main kind police for more release be on the buy now. I mean, just say,
yes, I go to Sikaka said they are two actually. Yes, Kaka. Yes, don't tell no pronunciation. Yes, Kaka. That was tea bread, that's so.
Adom 106.3 FM. But for so what protein no wa born hu tuo no.
Aboso kan de no.
Yeah.
Na me gwangwa se protein for se omgusu hwehwemu. Se tuo no kuta ne na ji ni nsem o so no na to born hu o.
Se obi na born tuo no na. Protein for e de krata aba betudwa. Me bom homode na krata no. Metimi akenkan mu kakra na. Afi ye de asi. Asem na areho.
Sometimes no didn't feel say.
Nsem no bi o police for almost share ma details so dem can kan mu a ne din no crime so o man fa antudwa
ne rank nso amba
ne rank nso amba asan bi ayi no wo phone so na fa brem na nkofo tete me media yi so say wo mo fra ne say wo mo fra na fe men kan na police for ye train details because me kan mu no ano say ne din ne rank kra ne age o man fa antudwa mame and kenkan. I say police investigate death of a police officer. 1. The Ghana Police Service is investigating the circumstances surrounding the death of one of our own, a police officer who allegedly shot himself while on duty today, April 27th, 2022, at the Graphic Road, Abosokan, Accra. 2. In line with our standard operating procedure, the name and further details of the deceased officer have been withheld and will be communicated after the family has been formally noticed of the incident. 3. May the soul of our departed colleague rest in perfect peace. Signed, DCOP Kwesifori, Director General, Public Affairs, Anapai, production team, Wama Buamu Diansenka, Wama Sabitimi Aka, DCOP, Nanka. What bring details, but sent to me Ankano, and that is now information be a police for the Bebray Bianso, so yeah, the betuja, Bafo, the betuja, Bafo, I mean, was na young fancy, Bafo Reduamo, and a day news review, no, a day a bray